Hello everyone, today I'll be demonstrating and explaining how I use the iOS built-in feature called Magnifier. This was turned into a full-on app in iOS 15, but on iOS 10 to iOS 14 you must enable this in settings and triple-click the home button or side button on your device to activate it. This is what my app looks like, but when opening it for the first time, it'll have things arranged slightly different. This is what it looks like on the first startup. Each of these buttons do different things, such as zoom, change filters or adds a filter, adjusts brightness or contrast, or flips the camera or enables the flash. You can add or remove filters so that you have only the filters you use. For me personally, I use no filter, grayscale, inverted, and inverted grayscale. In iOS 15, you can now flip the camera. When flashlight is enabled, you can tap and hold on it to adjust the brightness. Tapping the gear in the bottom left-hand corner will let you customize the app to better meet your needs. Use the button in the middle to freeze what the camera is seeing. This is not saved to your camera roll. Use the button in the bottom right-hand corner to take multiple freezes. Again, none of these are saved to your camera roll. I am using my iPads for the example photos, but ideally, most people who use this feature use it to read tiny text on documents or on medicine bottles. You can adjust all the settings while viewing one or more frozen photos. The plus lets you take more freezes to add to your multi-photo mode session. The end button at the top left-hand side brings you out of multi-photo mode and takes you back to single photo mode. Now, this is slightly off topic, but if you'd like to learn how I personally use Magnifier for school, stick around. First, I take a freeze photo, then screenshot it. That way, it's in my camera roll with the filters and adjustments I need to allow me to read whatever I need to see. I only take a screenshot if I know I need to save the image and keep it for another time, or if I need to write on it and make markups. Organization is something I can't help from doing, so I keep albums of the photos for each subject of school to keep things nice and tidy. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like if it did. It just helps me know that my videos are doing some good. Enjoy your day, and I hope you find my other videos helpful too.